Let's make a mint julep, the official cocktail of the Kentucky Derby, where over 120,000 of these are sold every year during the weekend of the Kentucky Derby. Interesting, right? First thing you'll need is a tin. Now Buffalo Trace has kind of laid claim as the mint julep being their cocktail, so as that is, they make all the tins perfect, designed for mint juleps, so you can get yourself one of those, do it, but you might not be able to. So grab yourself whatever tin you can. Look, I've got this little Dougie share tin. That works. Look at this. This is a candle holder. But it looks cool and it would work just as well, even better for a mint julep. Or grab yourself a glass. It's fine. Use whatever you've got, but the tin is the signature look. Now grab whatever it is that you're going to be serving your mint julep in and go in with some mint leaves. You want 3 to 8 mint leaves, really depends on the freshness of your mint. Give that a big slap, that's going to release all those oils, all that minty flavour. Drop it in, and then on top of that, go in with 20 millilitres of sugar syrup. Next, we're going to top this crushed ice. If you're at home, you might have a crushed ice machine. You can use cubed ice, put it in a towel and break it up, or a lot of shops will actually sell crushed or pebble ice, like I've got here, just in bags, ready to go. Works perfectly fine. Whatever you're doing, top your tin, your glass, whatever, with crushed ice, and then we're going to go in with bourbon. Like I said, Buffalo Trace is the signature bourbon, but it doesn't really matter. If you don't have it, don't use it. I've got this Canadian whisker, but it's just as fine. We're going to go in with 60 millilitres straight over the ice. Now it's time to churn that out, so grab your hand, put that over the top. This will stop all the ice coming out. Put your spoon in just where your thumb and index finger are, and give it a big churn. Just start churning it all up, mixing up all that ice with the mint, the bourbon, the sugar syrup. Give it a right big churn. After you finish churning it, you are likely going to have to top it up with more ice. I like to give it this really big ice cap, so I just shove it all in. That's personal preference. Grab some more mint, give that a little slap, release all the aroma, little sprig, cut off the bottom bit and shove that right in the side. Then we're going to go in with a straw. You're definitely going to need a straw for this one. Grab yourself a straw, put that in, and then optionally, to finish that off, we've got Angostura bitters, which we're just going to douse all the ice in. Adds to the aroma. You got that minty, aromatic, earthy aroma coming through. Makes it look really cool. Either way, however you do it, that right there is the classic mint julep. Hey, looks good, right? Have a little taste of this. Now it is absolutely delicious, refreshing, boozy, aromatic. Enjoy.